The Impala. What happened to the 63 Impala? Well, the last video we shot was back in 2009, I think. And since that time, we had to replace the motor one more time. I don't remember what happened to the original one that we put in, but something was bad. So we went with a 354 bolt main. Shaun, myself, as friends, we did all this work in the garage ourselves, and usually it was late at night. Shaun was also working at AutoZone at that time, so we got a lot of discount on parts. And the all the suspension, if you remember in the videos, had been gone through whether it needed it or not. We replaced everything. The automatic transmission was rebuilt. This car rode like a dream. It was loud, it was fast, and it was solid. It was a fun car. We made a lot of great memories working on this thing late at night. So Shaun drove it through high school. Then after high school, decided to sell it to buy something more practical and better on gas. This thing was a gas guzzler with a 4-barrel carb on it. And the guy that he sold it to also lived in Austin, Texas. And we know he had started taking it apart to do the paint. That was the only thing left, paint and interior. We had replaced that front fender, but other than that, we didn't touch any of that. So he sent us this picture, and you can tell it's stripped down. The roof is black, and that was many years ago. We don't know what's happened to it since then, or if he ever finished it. And maybe someday we'll find out. But that's the update on the '63 Impala.